Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 13 and 14. Learn from me, O mighty armed, these 5 causes for the accomplishment of all actions as declared in the Sankhya Upanishad system, which is the end of all actions.
Chapter 18, Shloka 13. Panchaitani mahabhago karanani nibodhame sankhye kritante proktani siddhaye sarvakarmanam.
The seat, body, the doer, ego, the various organs of perception, the different functions of various organs of action, and also the 5th, the presiding deity.
Chapter 18, Shloka 14. Adhishtanam tata karta karanam cha pratak vidham vividascha pratak cheshta daivam chaivatra panchamam.
Chapter 18, Shloka 13 and 14. After handling the theme of abandonment in general, Krishna now takes up a closer examination of it, dissecting the very common component parts that constitute work. Arjuna has been told by Lord Krishna that action could be performed without egocentric desires and attachments to the fruits. He now inquires what constitutes action. Lord Krishna analyzes work by describing A. the external structure of action, B. the physiology of action, C. the inner inspirations, motives, and urges in work. Krishna declares that for the real accomplishment or achievement of an action, 5 aspects are required to be disciplined and harnessed. These 5 are the limbs of action without which no action is ever possible, be it secular or sacred, material or spiritual. These 5 aspects must work in happy coordination for the greatest success, which is assured. This is according to the Sankhyas and followed in the Gita. Gita has declared that all actions come to an end when knowledge of the self dawns, and Vedanta, which imparts to us knowledge, is the end of actions. Shloka 14. In this shloka, the Lord enumerates 5 factors which are the constituent parts in all actions. They are 1. the body, 2. the ego, 3. the organs of perception, 4. the organs of action, and 5. the 5 elemental forces. No egocentric activity is possible without these. Every work is undertaken with the help of the body, adhishtan, which receives the stimuli and responds to them. This is not possible without the ego, karta, which desires and seeks fulfillment in the world of objects with the help of the instruments karanam of perception, with the power of the devas, and through the organs of action chesta, empowered by the pranas and the five great elements. These five terms are similar to the 24 divisions of Prakriti. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.